Welcome traders. Let's look at US oil. US oil has been going ballistic, and this is what we were expecting in the first place. If you have been following my analysis, which was more of a swing trading style, then you might have seen this idea. Now, this is the FCP zone that we found out few months ago. If you remember, we were looking at this particular area here, and we knew that what market was going to come here and give us some short opportunities. We were able to take that, and then market started to go higher, gave us a little bit of shorter opportunities for a small period of time. But because it started to consolidate around here, that was a good indication that market was trying to go beyond this particular FCP zone. So that is why in this idea, I mentioned that the market could be heading higher. It could actually rise towards the $70 or so, and if the market finds enough momentum, even after $70, then it could go to 75. So this is what has happened so far. The market has gone above that FCP zone. It has broken through that, and now it has found a support in FCP zone. So it has been able to come back to it, found support. This FCP zone, which used to be resistance zone, now it has turned into a support zone, and it is going higher. Now, because it has reached a level where it is kind of overextended and it is kind of reaching $70. Now, everybody will be thinking that it is going to go to $70. That's not how the market works. Market usually creates a lot of pain and a lot of pleasure in the market. So if you're thinking that market is going to go to $70 straight away, that may or may not happen. It can fall down, it can take a little bit of dip and then go back to $70. That's one of the scenarios. Another scenario is that it will go to $70, create a little bit of dip, but then suddenly it will start to move even higher than $70, and then it will finally give you a bigger dip. Third scenario is once the market has gone past $70 and it has gone above this FCP zone, which is around here, then we'll look for a retest of this and we'll look for a confirmation to go for a further long. Right now, US oil is looking very, very overextended, and I'll personally be looking for a short position very, very soon, which is going to be kind of a position, a multi-week or multi-month short position, if I find that kind of opportunity. So at any point in time, whenever I get an opportunity in the market, I'll be looking for short position. But having said that, that does not mean that I cannot trade long positions in a small amount of time. So if the market starts to go higher from here towards $70, then for a day trade or something like that, I can still take a long. But my bias now is kind of is starting to shift towards short positions because it is very, very overextended. And let me show you what I mean by overextended. So this is what we had before. Let me show you on here. Go to the weekly time frame. The market has rarely taken any kind of pause. So it was rising like this. This is huge rise which has happened, and even before that there was a huge rise which has happened. There was a bit of consolidation here, and if you remember that we were able to take short position on the break of this. So we went short, and then I said the market could be going towards the $50, and then I said it could be going towards $70. And those ideas, those trade opportunities are well documented here on TradingView as well. So if you can go into the history and find out what actually happened after that. So I said market could be going into $50, and then it could be going towards $72 or so, and this is where it is heading into. But we can see this entire area is kind of overextension. Right now this is in the formation of creating a W pattern, and that's the whole reason why I'm looking for a short position, and that is what my bias will be of our multi-week and multi-month basis. So this is what we have. Now let's look at the current level. So if I show you the daily time frame on this, so as I said, the market wants to go towards $70. It may or may not reach there. It is looking very overextended. Look at these candlesticks. They want to go down, but again something is, or somebody is pushing it up, right? Each time it is trying to go back down, it gets pushed up, down, pushed up, right? So why not just not have a hard bias, instead go with the flow. So if the market shows you that it wants to go higher, just go with the flow and take the long position, and whenever you see a short position opportunity, go for a short. But as I said, like on longer period of time, for longer period of position, then I'll be looking for short positions. Once it has reached this FCP zone, I'll be looking for short opportunities. Until then, I'll just simply go with the flow. The market may go all the way to $70, or it may just reverse from here, because it is very close to $70 and there can be fake breakouts on either side. So I'll have to be careful. So that's what my analysis is on US oil. Hope you enjoyed this analysis. If you did, hit the like button here, and put in a comment below this analysis telling me how you like this, how do you find it, and what is your own analysis. Share that with me, and make sure you share it with other traders and trading communities as well. And I'll see you in the next one. Thank you.